guys, welcome to my channel, Easy Auto. Today we're going to be doing the clutch, flywheel, clutch fork, and the transmission mount on a 2013 Subaru BRZ. This is right here. It's a good friend of ours' car. So we're going to take everything step by step and show you guys how it's done. Yep, so we got the competition flywheel right here. I'll show you guys. Stage 2, that's going in. Stage 2 competition clutch, pressure plate, the new throw-up bearing, and also we're going to be doing reinforced clutch fork with the billet pivot, and also I believe this is Megan Racing transmission mount.
Dope boy. All I wanna be was a dope boy. I only hung around on a dope boy. My great granddad was a dope boy. Dope boy, dope boy, dope boy. All I want to be was a dope boy. Dope boy, dope boy, dope boy, dope boy. All I wanna be was a dope boy. Dope boy, dope boy, dope boy. All I wanna be was a dope boy. I only hung around on a dope boy. My great granddad was a dope boy. Dope boy, 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 dope boy.
Flywheel, not too bad, not overheated.
Pressure plate,
sorry, you're right. Clutch, also not that bad, still has some life left, but you know, we're gonna upgrade it to a stage 2. That's the flywheel. Again, not that bad. Probably save it, see if he wants to keep it. Pilot bearing, new flywheel, new pilot bearing. That's gonna go right in there. Once that's in, we'll put it back on like that. Make sure it's nice and flush, and then while he's putting those bolts on, I'm gonna go get the torque spec. Alright, flywheel is torqued to 62.7 foot-pound. Pressure plate bolt, 12 foot-pounds per all data. Old one, new one. This is the new one here. This is the old one. This one looks a lot more heavy duty. We'll be putting that in. And always replace the throw-up bearing. And you want to put a little bit of grease right in here where it will slide on the shaft. Megan Racing motor mount, training mount. Wait.